We are live. Let me share my screen in my Discord. Yeah, we are live. We are live. We are live. Discord, YouTube. Yeah, all set. All set, sir. Let me just post it in my Instagram. True. Live stream. We are live. 41 already. Let's go. Let me post it. Link. Yeah. Where is it? 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 Yeah, yes, sir. Could be two viewers. Very nice, very nice. Let some more people to join. What's happening in the market? Just check. 9:30, 9:30, 9:30. Not too worried. As expected. Into the this low. Triggering that C2 closure. What about who I am? Didn't take that low, so might consider that as a writing correlation. YM4R, US4R, okay. Why was this point I was targeting here? What was the reason? Because we have gonna swing there, maybe? What is that? Yeah, this this swing, this relevant swing here. So this was a one-hour swing, as I know. Yeah, we took that. We had a 4-hour favorable gap, 4 held it and pushed higher. And was in this favorable gap, and we are gonna push higher today as well. We have these highs to target, and beautiful highs up here as well. These highs to target. That's pretty much what I'm looking for in this is. Did we set a low of the day? That's a question here. 6 p.m. This candle open. We have some kind of gap here, maybe. I think between these two candles. What about it? Okay, we do have that gap there. Do you have any track and correlation with ES? We take this low. Don't look at this, guys. We have a key level here. which is this inversion, and we came back after inversing this gap. After inversing this gap, we came back and rebalanced it, and we have somewhat of cracking correlation down here with this candle, and we pushed pretty much high on the market open, but the 6 a.m. candle, this is our change history of delivery. We still have a lot of room to, move upward. That's a good thing about indices right now. Mm, YouTube, YouTube. No, no. People watching good, you guys. Make sure to like the stream. That's a good thing. Mm. Yeah, that's what we are looking. We have a lot of room up there, so no need to worry about, you know, no need to panic if you miss couple of entries over here before 10 a.m. So once 10 a.m. opens, we'll wait for a pullback and then you can trade a 10 a.m. candle towards these highs. At least this high, I would say. If you don't reach that in another 30 minutes. So what about then Q on Q? The same plan. Yes, the same plan here as well with this pattern correlation. But I would love to take trade in ES more than NQ because ES is a weaker asset right now, and it might turn out to stronger if you get any crack and correlation like instant switch PSP. So that would be so good. That's what I think. Like in the seas, all three are done. Even wine is looking beautiful. We will take this slow. We are living these relatively confused times here. That's a problem in YM, but right now, like for today, I don't care if you are living this and trade higher in other two assets, whichever looks clear to me. Give me a second, guys. Let me bring my mouse. Let me connect my mouse in a second. Sir, we are back. Still have half an hour for our actual session. We started with the 10 a.m. So what we have, oh, wires everywhere. Yeah, we don't have this same side of leverage. So definitely I will go, and look for longs in indices. Please. 5 years. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So NQ. With this pattern correlation, like NQ and ES are looking so beautiful. I will definitely love to go with ES more than NQ. Yeah, look at this low resistance liquidity up here. All this. That's great liquidity to target. But what about news? News. Let me check news. News. What do we have today? We don't have much, so we don't need to think. Look at these. Like you have Wednesday, PPI and FOMC both on the same day, and Thursday we have unemployment claims, and yeah, pretty full week, I would say. All this liquidity can be taken in like Thursday, maybe Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, like till the end of this week. It comes to weekly, it's not looking that it's gonna flip because we are looking these already weaker lows down here, but uh, these executions. Hmm, that could, but monthly looks like something else. So let's stick to our formula right now for now. God. So we do have these strong liquidities up here in for another 20 minutes. Let's wait and see. So what about gold? Gold is still gold. Hmm. It's a bit tricky. Gold, if we take this low down here, kind of, we did. This changes state of delivery for today. This is our 6 p.m. 6 p.m. point. Now point here. Yeah, we can wait. We do have this drop here target at least external to internal, but I'm I'm much interested to look this at something like this in this sort of delivery gap tap and then going back to take visibility equal lows. So this is the retracement here, whatever you guys are seeing. So I am not sure, like I'm not much confident about trading these retracement instead of this internal liquidity here. But we can play it out because we are in a 4 hour, so we can somehow put it in like 3 minutes or something like that. We get a lot of room for the 40 points. We can into the silver. Where is the silver? Where is the silver? Silver futures. Take this over, then take this low. But what gold? Just arbitrary. So silver and gold. What was this? February 19, like February 19, right? Silver. We did that. Feb 19. What is that in daily? 19. Okay, so we haven't yet taken this low. That is a catch here again. This might not look like a swing point in daily, but it is in lower time frame, something like 4 hour or anything. So how will you confirm that this SMT will be holding on again with this change in state of delivery here? Like at least with this upper candle close. It's maybe not clear in silver because these are the series down close candles. To get a complete change in state of delivery, we might have no, we might be waiting for these candle to close above this, which will take a lot of time. But in like if you look at the gold, we do have this bullish candle here over here. So yeah, this is a good sign for gold and silver that gold is having this bullish candle and we might get this change in state of delivery. So do we have any Kraken correlation down here with gold? We might, maybe, no, we might not. It's lower than this. Yeah, we do have this small SMT here down here. Look at it, small SMT down here. Yeah, even gold is looking pretty bullish. We might turn out bullish. Right now, we are inside of this higher time frame reversal formation. So once we align to the align ourselves with the direction, we can trade continuation, 10 a.m. continuation after 6 a.m. reversal. That's the plan. Mm, to the oil. What's oil? Oil. Lot of low resistance liquidity down here in oil. Look at this low resistance. Where do we reach? At least this should be our confluence premium of the entire zone. And we are reversing from, like, we can consider this as the order block. So, and reversing from of the order block. Have this huge low resistance down here. PC. But what about HO and RB? How are these doing? HO is looking a little bit like better than RB. Have this gap rebalanced. CL. Don't have any gap in CL. Friday last candle. CL. Friday. uh, 6 p.m. This is our day open. This, yeah. This is our day open and HO. What do we have? This is our day open. So basically, we are having the uh, pattern correlation with opening price itself. If you see properly, the previous candle close is not yet taken, but like this high is taken, but this high is not yet taken. But if you see in the CL, that high is also taken as well, like previously high. We don't have any caps down here. We are inversing this cap as well. So we do have this nearest liquidity to target, one and two at least. So this will be our context for today. In oil, how is RB doing? RB beautiful. We do have clear direction down here, and here as well. The beautiful thing there. So do we have anything with the previous camera? There is, there is, there is, there is nothing much. Nothing much. The only thing is the opening price, daily open with the SMT with previous day candles. That's it. If we take this high, almost, almost we did. So, not yet. Look at this, how this candle is reacting from the daily opening price. That's so beautiful. And here as well, look at this. This should be, actually closing a little bit more lower so that it should look like it is respecting the opening price with the bodies. But yeah, that's fine because you have to fill this uh, gap at least 25%. So that's what it did. Came back, filled the gap, at least 25%, and then pushing back lower. So once we get this closure, we might think of going more bearish. That's the plan for oil and others. And indices, beautiful, 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 just beautiful. This should not be cleared in indices, that's a problem. This thing. Why is Adarsh like this here? I can't even drag them. Alert lines, yeah, exactly. You need alert lines. Another 7 minutes, guys. You need to wait another 7 minutes. Here with our indicators. So the live stream, how is it going? Four people watching in our comments. Nice. At least four people watching. I should be happy about that. Can you guys hear me? We have people in Discord. Yeah, we do. Nice. Bom dia traders. What is meaning of bom dia traders in Brazil? Bro, if you're watching in Discord, what is the meaning of this? I don't know. I only know English. I don't know like how to talk Brazilian language. Or anything. Sir, yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me please make sure to subscribe our channel, guys. We are going to live streams every day. People who are watching me are like you guys can ask them. They are really seeing the results and you know we take crazy tricks there every day. So better don't miss those. Very simple strategy. You guys will simply learn it by simply watching my live stream, I would say. So I don't skip the live streams, do attend the live streams and keep our channel subscribed. With more in gold and silver as well. The only fact that I'm gonna consider this reversal from here is this two stage, one stage and two stage. SMT plus SMT. small S&P with these good change instead of delivery with the opening price, like around the opening price. We might get a pullback till the opening price, maybe that even that can happen, but I don't want to see anything, pushing below the opening price here, more below the opening price. So yes sir, welcome Robson, yes, welcome to the stream, buddy. Well, I was checking the refined traders Discord the other day. But where is that guy? Like, is he streaming regularly or I mean you're here, so I'm like a bit confused. He was supposed to be there. I mean, I would want love to be there. Even I don't know, bro. Even I don't know. I miss his live streams actually. I used to watch his live streams after my live stream. Once I complete my live stream, I used to watch the recorded live streams of him because a lot of knowledge there, obviously. But I don't see him nowadays. Even I don't see him, so I don't know, bro. People people are really missing, including me. Know anything where he is? Tell that guy, please come back to the live streams. People are waiting here. So 9:30 open. 9:30 came back. Look at this. Look at this. There's no wick, and we just formed the wick and then we started pushing higher. That's a beautiful thing I would love to see. For what, 5 minutes? Crazy. Change the state of delivery. It might look a little bit choppy, but like at least we have the direction. And you know, another 2 minutes, I'm pretty sure we can get a good push higher. On to 10 a.m. 30 minutes. Look at this 30-minute C2 closure instead of this gap down here. Beautiful. So once the next 10 a.m. opens, then thank you so much, bro. It's been like very busy, like busy for me. Like I was so busy. Okay, so we cleared this high in YM. Now the other asset should run. What I suppose to that's what I supposed to happen. Like the other asset should run, and catch those highs because those highs are still remaining in NQ and ES. Would love to take credit ES, but do we have any strength which happening in here? ES and NQ, bro. Why these reloads like this? Hmm. Not all both look the same, pretty much. But I would love to go with ES more than NQ. We need a displacement above this high so that I can, take at least on a gap or a pullback. There. Damn, NQ took me out exactly at break even and still running to the DP. Yeah, bro, it happens. It happens. Like CL did the other day to me. We had a beautiful day in CL. Like we had a beautiful trade in CL, but it took me out early and no flushed into my direction. Yeah, we do have the displacement, but should I trust this change in state of delivery? Personally, if you ask me, no, I'm not going to trust it because I'm framing this 10 a.m. candle. It's exactly 10 a.m. candle what is forming right now. So I need change state of delivery after opening the 10 a.m. No, 10 a.m. candle, like 10 a.m. after opening of 10 a.m. candle. For example, we opened here, even though we are respecting this gap right now, but I'm not sure if it holds. If it holds, then it's all good. We can take trades after this change in state of delivery. That one on CL was she might got better entry and was able to get 2.8 R. Yeah, bro. He got a better entry, but I don't know mine was a better entry or not. But I was trying to be safe. It already delivered. It delivered a bit more, so I thought let's be at break even. Let's not, risk others' money. I have to be careful about those things because some people might have, copying my trades and also, you know, sometimes even they can lose money following me. So trying to keep the precautions as much as possible. What is your risk management after taking account 40% consistency rule 250 per day, 250 per trade and 2 hour every time. Okay. You might get this forming in this current candle itself. Are we setting this low right now? I did take the other trade off during the Asian session today morning. It was beautiful trade. I think you guys might have seen it on, on my Discord. 250 per trade. I don't, I don't, I don't love to reach the 40%, the whole 40% in a single day. I don't want that. I just need 500 a day and I can pull it out with, like 6 trades maybe. So I'm good with that. Or you can get, yeah, but you don't have a displacement there. That's a problem. Open a little bit more pullback on the next candle, maybe 1 minute. Not liking how this 1 minute open then not literally pushed lower. What is gold doing? Pushing higher, expected. Silver, gold. To have this PSP in silver continuation one stage in gold. This looks better. But let's see. Yes. No. Then this is not on. I think how it should be. Then where is the opening price? Not this opening price. Mhm. We can take a tap on this. Yeah, we did. Yeah, okay. That's a beautiful thing to watch there. Now we move this changes to completely to confirm this low and then push higher. Gold looking so beautiful. Northeast and bit clear this time. We almost did. Cleared, came back, retracement. Or the retracement we are getting here. Almost there. Almost there at the discount. Let's see. Longs on gold. When I'm looking for longs on gold, but I need more confirmation. You're talking about this to the lower side. I don't think so. If it goes against me, then I'm not going to punch there. I better look on the indices. You can get prevalent is here. Pro my subscription is got over pro. That is a problem. Thank you. Look at this. And the candle something here. Okay, yeah. So we do got these changes set of delivery in NQ. What about in 3 minutes? Not yet. 1 minute is looking good in NQ. Get this gap. Yeah, might take profit, but I'm gonna stick to US. Another minute. We had this intercandle Kraken correlation, which is enough. Another 35 seconds should be sure good, like if you get this 30 set of delivery. Or else I have to stick with the 1 minute here. That's a big problem. 20 seconds. Yes, sir, that's what I'm looking for. So, go with the what here. This one. So hopefully we get a failure before, yeah, YN before 2 on. Let's hope for the best. And to see the silver, the United people, for the gold. The chance it could very was here. Gold, 4 hour. Yeah, even I was looking for this. I'll be more interested in doing this instead of logging here. I'd be more interested in, giving us a tap, some kind of Kraken correlation here with this high or anything, and then trading to these equal lows down here. That would be much better approach if you ask me. But you can trade this to this imbalance though. Nothing like that. You can't trade it. We can trade it to this imbalance from this 11. Two stage, silver. Okay, yeah. So, yes, stone. This is looking good. Silver is already at the core RFPG. Huh? Silver is already at the core RFPG. What are you saying, bro? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Silver is already at the core RFPG. So the gold, not sure. I'm not sure about gold, guys. Bro, come on. Let me be on my chat. Let me manage my trade. Set. Let me put it on the big sticks. No, it launch at VS 6722. Yeah, even yeah, 6722. I don't know. Mm, let's see if we have something there. We have this gap in 1 minute which can hold though. That's let's hold this. Hold on. HO. Come on. Come on, HO. See, HO. Even HO is looking good to me. Look at it. See the closure instead of C3. The only thing is that it's not cleared out, but we do have this spin point down here. Got it. We are getting from this state of delivery in 1 hour. So I'm expecting some kind of 5 minute changes of delivery here at least. Or else if you are looking at the 30 minute CD closure and like even 3 minute changes for delivery works. But this is like looking fishy. This should not take this high. I don't want to see this high taken. Not sure. Oh yeah, CL taken that high though. CL cleared of that high. Now the thing is HO should not take that high, forming this pattern correlation. Then we can look for silver straight there as well. 6722 even I am in. 6722. Yes, sure side. The match. Very south. Yeah, we did. RB. Yes. Here. Obviously, yes. Even CRD. Odin takes down 6 5 takes 14 takes 6 5 takes 14 takes. Hmm. What's the problem with indices after we are having this beautiful carbon correlation down here? What it is? Not crack correlation, but a beautiful change instead of very rebalance, ready level, balance. Pretty much good thing to see. Previous candle is badass faster. You see the previous candle there with the 5 minute change instead of delivery. The 1 minute. That's a good thing. I don't know, like this beautiful change instead of delivery. That's better. Let's hold oil. Oil is interesting. Then I can also say now. This is empty in RP in HO and in oil. But after clearing out this high, now I'm gonna wait for to happen something like this. Take up this high. Now this should be crashing down. If it continues moving higher, then I'm not going to touch oil for today because it's out of my scope what I thought may happen. So now just stay out of the market if it's not working for you today at least. Because every day, like the market will never be the same every day. So it's go on changing, so have to adapt to the market. Yeah. Now, bro, come on, 5 minutes. We need this change instead of delivery. And the 7 seconds if you can. And we are not getting that. We are not getting that. What was the time? Mm, One, two, two, three. What's up, guys? What's up? Anything else? It will take a bit more time to expand because a long week down there. I have you always having these brackets set down here. I think. Confirm. Okay, I have to confirm that. Oh, after canceling those. Got it. I don't want to see another chop. 15-minute candle, guys. We need to push higher. Oh, 1 minute. Awesome. Look at these one chop here, but no, that's fine. Good. Nothing good. Noise. Bit of more confirmation. This killer should flip after tapping into the earning price of this candle. Something like yeah, something like this, and dump lower. What up, guys? What's up? Please do check out Blue Guardian Funded. They are having, I think, 40% offers going on. You can use a code TXN to, claim that offer. Oil. TC. TC, we had this cracking correlation forming. C2. Yeah, two stage. Two stage here in GC. We might push lower. This as well. Drop image. I have to see disclosure. I have to see disclosure. And gold. So that I can go a bit lower again. For now, in ES and NQ, we need at least closure was high, which is 5 minute changes of delivery. Yeah, we do have that 5 minute change instead of delivery though. I get a tap and then flip. spending a lot of time. Yeah, that's a problem. Cool. You're getting that universal signature. Next 15-minute open. Next 15-minute open can help us in gold. The show turning out so good as I said. Came back, tapped to the opening price, 16 from the opening price to the downside. So if you get this inversion, that would be so good. This will add another confidence, a lot of confidence just to go lower, more lower. But for now, let's hold this. Yes, great. Yes, get the chance of popularity. Yes, another 4 minutes. Don't see to push lower than this line. Another 2 minutes. If it does, then there's a high chance that it will take our stock out. Yeah. So if it closes inside of this, then I might think of closing manually because we are leaving this expansion, so we might get another big retracement. So in that retracement, if we can easily take us out if we get closure instead of this line, this opening price here. But if not, they're all good. Another minute. It might straight away come and take our SL next minute, but not next minute. It will take another trade, but at least like okay. Yeah, chances it of recovery crazy. Gold is looking so good. Oil, oil is looking good as well, but if it plays out inversing this low, then we can target these lows here in oil. So another 30 seconds here. Might manually close it. Look at that. Second that almost closed. And so it's all done. So bad, right? No, bro. That's what did I say? Like if we didn't get closure about this candle, then high chance we are getting that retracement deep down. Might be even to be slow or something. But gold, looking good. Not a retracement now in gold. That's a problem. Come back and tap the opening price. Yeah, so looking good. That is how this opening price of this candle is holding. But we need a good flush and closer below this inversion so that I can, punch a trade in HO or CL or anywhere at these. So it's looking bearish. Other two assets are, pretty much looking bullish. You guys we're holding here. HO is turning out bullish. So we do have this reversal here, like with this pattern correlation. We see here the HO, I'm not sure. This movement is, yes, come back, or tap this. No, or about YM, tapped, yes, tapped, okay, tapped, almost. Now, this is the fun part. Entry. Can we have 1 minute inversion so that I can enter the trade? Is that of 15-minute fair value gap? Let's see. GC. GC. We must be having this. I don't want to see what's in gold at least because straightforward it might come and replace that. No, 5 minute closer there. It's all looking good. Did we reverse this? Not yet at all. How is the other assets looking? This kind of 10-15, but don't underestimate this. It's a bit far away. Do you have anything in common you can see it? Maybe? Sweetie, what food? How is it providing food? Vectors, dinner, countries. No, I don't know. Code is bit confusing to me right now. Not yet. Good closure. Okay, this closure is a bit of a good thing, but we need a closure box here. That is the only problem. RB is looking good though. RB is looking good. Here, then here we might get that. What about picture? Picture almost got it. Picture is looking fine. What about oil? So oil is not yet given that single state of delivery. RB, yes, RB did. Here's another farming project about this probably gap. Project, benefit, income, use buy and market growth. That's not looking easy. No, I like, better. To watch, this is our dog. Yeah. What you small stocks first? Because that's how it is. For example, right now in asset gold, gold, gold is what it does. I was expecting to, but I don't know. We are not gonna get entry in gold maybe because it's straight away falling right now. You see, but this is working fine. Oil hopping higher. I think good though. It's my little place. Gold, bro. I don't think so. We are gonna get entry. I think gold for bear side because this 5 minute version. So this bar I'll be going break even by here. Once we reach here. US started falling from point to high this and dark. Kind of good trade though because we had this high, but this high is taken by YM. That's a problem. Bro, I need my premium, bro. Hard for me without premium. Gold, no pullbacks at all, guys. No pullbacks at all. Straight fall. If silver trades into the FG period right now, and for my SMT, I think gold can make a new low of the day. Yeah, silver. Yeah, might. What time frame? I think 1 hour. This level that you are talking about. Yeah, it might. It's kind of part of. Yeah, bro. That is the thing. What I'm trying to tell you guys. Gold, either you're not gonna get entry or I keep on switching to 2 minute. That's because every time I had a GBM, but not now. If we get this change instead of 11, that should be that will be so good. Yeah, bro. I just switched to 2 minutes ago. This is bad. Like this should be the actual entry here. Yeah, this is a good entry. Not like bad, but the conversion should hold the price. And after the change instead of delivery, it should straight away go to the DP to the upper side. That's the one tapping that for now. The rest you guys will keep on changing that later. So, now we are going to flip it like break even almost. I wanted to have here the bodies of this candle. So that means almost break even. So you guys want, you guys can keep it on the break even as well. So let's wait. Got this 15 minutes. It's kind of near the opening price. We got the closer above the opening price. I'm hoping it to reverse and this current candle to flip and push higher. You see that momentum coming once this 15 minute tries to close above. We need that. We need to see that change in state of delivery in 3 minutes. I would more have to see that. But even if we get stopped out here, no worries. We are getting stopped out at very low risk. Very low. Look at that. Tapped exactly to my break even. like to see push higher happen. Here, yes, is yeah. After this, after this SMT, we got this inversions. Yeah, yes, yes, and that didn't happen. Now I don't want oil to see delivering that break even up once again, because if it does, again, like we are stuck into a chop, we'll definitely be chopping around here. So it's better to get stopped out at break even instead of, taking that chop and then being stopped out and taking that loss. It's better to, you know, break even. Left and push. Very good. Seconds. Another 3 seconds. Beautiful close here. Beautiful close. And our SL is at a good spot, I would say, because if you look at these 3 minute, we got the changes of delivery. We trace my instead of this 5 minute inversion and this changes it of delivery. So we are around the bodies of those candles. So that's a good sign there to put our SL. If it comes by then take that SL, I'm fine with that because I'm just following the market structure. So yeah, pretty much it. So so here look at this, this is we inverse this and it's retracing a little bit more deeper, which I don't want to see, but what about MQ? Even MQ, even MQ, the same thing. What about YM? But YM the same thing. The only thing is YM took up these highs, give us a good pullback, I would say. We took this low, and then we might push higher. That's the reason Doji use Doji, even if Doji entered trade on like anywhere somewhere here. So this should be his break even point after, even if he enters on this opening price. It's way too early to be break even, but that's the way how it should be done. That according to my experience on trading the according to my experience on trading the whatever like IFGs, that's what I think. I actually showing on two charts. Look, I opened actually as well. That's it. This was 10 years. 10 years. Go back into this level gap. Go back into this level gap. Then I push higher. Put in here. On. But difficult for us to do this. What a job of 10 a.m. job here. See, so we will get that tab now here. What we can see. Just now clear indices. It is clear, but not yet good entry indices. So the tricky thing that is okay, so we stopped all. I think they do what? Why didn't we stop some open? Yeah, that's all I was thinking. Let's stop our break even. Oh, Ori, which is totally fine. I don't discuss it. Food. But I was looking for this indices to come back and give us an here. Oh, silver and gold. Silver turning out. Silver. 1 hour. Guys. Yeah, it's around here. Yeah, we this Beverly Gap. So you can have This is nice. New 15-minute open, setting the low. Now we can push now. Yeah. Got a break even on this. That's fine. Got that. Until unless this holds, we can stay bullish on HO. CL is expanding higher. It's like, do we have any classic correlation here? Let's see, right? 15-minute instead of this level gap. This is looking like beautiful. 2 minute, no gap there, but CL has low RB. 15 minutes level gap. Beautiful again. It is a little more stupidity. CL. Yeah, the bit. Mm, 41. I'm gonna get that closer. Punch. Okay, the we still do have indices. We trade after this changes to popularity. We are not going to stay much longer on live stream, so into this is what cap to Super M30. Yeah, back to there. What is gold doing then? What low is it? 730? Silver? I see some instead of POD. The last day. What is that? CL, right? CL. At least if you get this tab, you can get in here with the stuff on the bottom. You know, get into what? Just we get this tab. Can we cover this whole version instead of always say? It's a bit challenging. Almost. But this entry looks looking no, this is ordering pretty much here on the chip. Have you found that hang already? Oh no, another 45 seconds. So, will it be in Jefferson? Should have his gap here. So, okay, so we're not getting that yet. Someone go. Let's stick with that. Come on. Come on. We're not getting that empty, guys. Let's go to this it. This it. This it. Might be. What the? Yes, come on. Is there something? Is there something? Come on. What's why I'm doing? Very clear. High. Not yet. HO. At least we have HO here. Or some kind of credit. We didn't get the tap. Can we take this to our first stop approach? Okay, so we don't have a changes set of delivery there. This bit quickly go. Oh no. Missed it, missed it. Missed it. Probably have chance in all here. RB, here almost we missed. Here, things. The thing is, we are not getting that little. I got 2 minutes, so I think try to see push higher without missing. Yeah, here on here. So if you look at the 1 minute, then this stop should be structurally more meaningful because we have this inversion here and this high is not yet here until unless this is something with other assets. But the reason behind me putting myself here is this high time frame value gap. So then let's have this gap here. That 50% right below that should be my stop. Right below the 50%. So if it comes holds and then pushes higher. That's what we actually expect. Our initial entry was here. I moved it here. Didn't get that chance of delivering, but still did that mistake of taking the trade there. We're now inside the gap. We just now got the tap. And probably we might get stuck up there. Yeah. Wait, taking us out. And now it should go higher. We should get the trade. We should read actually to what 4 years. Yes, looking good though. But not happy with how it is. Right now we have this inversion here. But again, not looking good to me. US here took us out, pushing higher. Now this should be our entry if we are trading the changes of POVs. But I don't recommend you guys to take any more trades because 2 trades that's done. One was break even and almost like two was another one was a little bit loss and this one was a bit loss. But I did take the another trade on Asian so this was a yeah that covers me up on that so. The idea was very nice, but the entry, I just little bit fumbled there in the entry. Like I chose the Chinese drop delivery, and now we got our exact entry here on this cap. We got that 50% respecting and then pushing higher. This would be the beautiful trade. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So again, the mistake was the early entry. No changes to drop delivery, but still I did take the entry. That was my mistake. But yeah, mistakes do happen. That's okay. Gold is pushing higher. You can catch some hybrid thing going. So these 30 minute, what is that? 30 minute fill the gap. You fill and yeah, see where big, not see where it's really huge. Now this is good. I can we will go higher, but we set up the structure. I'm not gonna take this trade on my account, just demo account just to try. So please be grateful on this because this is not this trade is not taken on my account. So make sure to take it on your own, please. So I'll update about this trade. My last stream, sorry, on my Discord. So that's it for today, guys. You had one break even and one small SL and another one pretty much normal minus one ISA. And yeah, it almost got me clear. Like it is manageable. So we had a beautiful win yesterday. Not yesterday, actually Friday. I didn't able, I was unable to trade it on Friday. But yeah, from today it's gonna be regular. Make sure to attend the live streams. Make sure to like the streams and yeah, stay updated. So we are gonna have a lot of things coming. So that's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye, guys.